So here's what the instructions look like. You start off with a large block of this phenolic material here. It's 3/4 of an inch thick and it's pretty solid, and when we're finished with it, it's going to look like this. So there's got to be several holes drilled in it, a 3/4 inch one here that goes in the middle, and then a couple of 1/8 inch holes around the outside in specific locations, and then they're also counter drilled just a bit here, 1/2 inch down into the material. You can see that here. Those larger 1/4 inch holes don't go all the way through, they kind of stop at about 1/4 inch there, so we can actually put a rivet in from this end and then pull it, and it squeezes in and attaches that to a plate. So we need to make 4 of these blocks, and they attach to a couple of these vertical ribs here that are going across the tail section here. One of them goes in the front on either side, so 2 in the front, and then 2 kind of back here towards the rear. You can just sort of see it poking out right there. And then you can see kind of down here there's a slot cut in the side of the fuselage, so the rudder cable is actually going to come through here and out through that hole to where the rudder is attached back here on the back. So I picked up a set of these Forstner bits here, one of which is a 3/4 inch, which fits perfectly for these phenolic blocks. I think I picked up the whole set. They were original priced, I think they're $35, and I got a 20% coupon or something, so I ended up spending, I think, $28 or something like that on a whole set of these. Not bad, and they seem to have really good tolerances and worked really well. This is a little 3D designed and printed part or template, fixture, whatever you want to call it. It has a 3/4 inch top part here, and the bottom half is a 1 inch. And basically you can slide your phenolic block into this, and then very easily center it into the hole where it needs to fit, which is a 1 inch, and that will hold it centered so that you can drill it properly without being off center. Alright, so there you have it, a little short video on how to turn those phenolic blocks into Fairlead assemblies. Thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit. I appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comments section. I'm always reading those, and I'm excited to hear what you guys have to say about things. If you haven't subscribed already, consider doing so, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.